Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how you can turn on or turn off a watermark of your photos in the Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus. So, at the start we have to open the camera app, then go to the settings and look for the watermark. If you want to switch it on, just tap on this little switcher to make it blue. If you want to disable your watermark, like before, just tap on it to the gray one. And now, if you will take a photo, the watermark should be visible in this place. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.